This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include 9 strategically placed speakers, XM satellite radio, an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, side curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear spoiler, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, front fog lights, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.